Hello, juniors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn name of planets. So we have planets picture with their names. So let's learn with me and repeat with me. Sun, Sun, Mercury, Mercury, Venus, Venus, Earth, Earth, Mars, Mars, Jupiter, Jupiter, Saturn, Saturn, Uranus, Uranus, Neptune, Neptune,